at my 2-year-old, I think. Yeah, but 2-year-old. If not, yeah, this is the second year. We're going 3 years. It's gonna be 3 years next year. Tomarillo plant. This thing is growing like crazy. It's growing like huge. Look at it. Not only does it do that, look at the tomarillos. Look at the tomarillos. Look at the production. Look at this. And you see, these are all tomarillos. And given its history, it doesn't flower and we don't get much. When it flowers like this, often we get a lot of tomarillos. A lot. I mean, there's a video here on my channel where I'm making tomarillo jam because we had so much tomarillos, so much. You know, we just couldn't eat uh, as much as it was producing. We also had plenty like this one falling on the ground and rotting, but this one is still good. I'm going to eat this one, you know. And what I'm noticing now, as I'm looking, it seems that this year's tomarillos will be even bigger than last year's ones in terms of size. Oof, yeah. You know, if there is one thing I love and I enjoy with this that I'm doing, gardening, it's this. This is the time, this is the season that keeps me excited, that keeps me crazy, going like wild, like wow, you know, with exclamation marks and all that, because these trees, they just go berserk. Well, that's crazy in one of our local languages. They just go like, I'm gonna feed you, I wanna feed you, you know. And yeah, and yeah, they just produce, you know. Anyway, yeah, it's tomarillo tree. Oh no, I don't think I'll be able to eat this guy. It's quite very soft here, which is a sign that it is not good. So throw it there. Yeah, well, and then it's the avocado tree. Oh, this avocado tree, I mean, it would be having a lot more than what it is having already. I don't know whether it was the monkeys or because there was a time where we had quite very strong winds, or it was the winds. You see here, look at this. This is almost torn off. And all these things here, I don't know what you call them, but they were small avos in all these, you know. And then, yeah, you see, there were small avos all over here. And then I woke up the one day, we had quite a strong wind, but I don't think it was the wind per se. I think it's the monkeys. You know, you can see them here. Here they are, a whole lot of them. And yeah, they were all over the floor like that. And the reason why I say it's the monkeys, you see, you can see this one, it was eating, you know. You can see this one as well, it was beaten. You see, it's that's why I say it is the monkeys, you know. And you see, look at this, you can see, that's why I say it's the monkeys. You see, you can see the teeth here. These are monkey teeth, you know. These are monkey teeth, you know. Yeah, so this is the problem. You see, look at this, you know. Yeah, and now I was about to tell you why I say it is the monkeys that before I could even see this evidence of teeth and all that to prove that it was the monkeys. One day I came from somewhere there by the washing line there, and this monkey didn't see me. It was sitting right at the top there, and it was busy with the avos. Yeah, and I had to chase it away. But yeah, you know, it's what's the word? It's discouraging, sometimes depressing, you know, dealing with situations like this. Yes, I still have quite plenty avos, I must say, on the tree, and I'm hoping that they will grow to mature and feed us, and also share with some of our neighbors like we did last year. But we could have had more. We could have had, yeah, I don't know, yeah. Anyway, I need to try and craft this tray because, damn it, damn it. Excuse my language. It has nice avos and it produces and it's crazy. And I'm happy that I managed to save it, and you won't believe it when I tell you that when we bought this house, all that was left was a thin. I don't know what to call it. Even I would even almost say it was the skin of the trunk. And yeah, it was this part here. This shoot came as I was taking care of the tree, and crazy enough, it came and it shot up big. I even went up and pruned it up there because I didn't want it shooting up too high. I wanted it to produce the side branches, and it did produce the side branches, but still produced some that are shooting up. And this part became, as you can see, almost, it is like I would say 60% of the tree. But what was left was just a tiny, very weak thing that goes that way to those branches there that we found here. And I took care of the tree, and the tree came back to life. And today it is feeding us, you know. Anyway, yeah. That's what's happening here. It's going on. It's going on. Same with this orange tree, which now produces quite a lot of oranges. When we bought the house, it wasn't producing at all. I don't know whether the branches that I had to cut off, whether they had reached the production level or whatever, but all I did was to really pruned it like really like bad, like even myself, I was thinking it was going to die. That's how much I pruned it. I pruned it so much that I thought it will die. It was either it dies or it survives, and then it survived, and it grew into this nice big bush. And as you can see, there's one orange there that was left from what we had, and then there's new ones coming up all over the place, green ones, you know. Yeah, see there. That's the bed. That's one of the birds I think that I saw pecking on the strawberries. Yep.